So here we can see that the curves are given as y square is greater than or equal to 6x and x square plus y square is less than or equal to 16. Actually, from here we can get the equation of the parabola, which is y square equal to 6x, and the equation of the circle, that is x square plus y square equals to 16. Now, circular part, let's draw it. Draw the approximate circle, that is, this is the x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is the circle. Obviously, this is the circle. Its center is at the origin 0, 0, and in this inequality we can see that it satisfies the origin. It means this inequality represents the region within the circle. This inequality represents what? It represents the region within the circle. Since y 0, 0 is satisfying it. And here you can see in this inequality, here also 0, 0 is satisfying, but suppose uh, actually the graph of this parabola will be somewhat like this. It will pass through the origin, this y square equal to 6x, and here at this point the circle will intersect the x-axis at the point plus minus 4, 0. So this point is 4, 0. So suppose if you put 4, 0 here, then this is not satisfying. 4, 0 does not satisfy this inequality. Since y will be 0, it means then 0 is not greater than or equal to 4, 6, 24. No. So 4, 0 is not satisfying it. It means we have to find the area of this region, means which is outside the parabola and which is inside the circle. This area we have to find. So how to find that? We can find the area first. We can actually do one thing. We can find the area of the circle from here to here, and then we can find from here to here actually. And the equation of this straight line which passes through these 2 points of intersection. So how to find the point of intersections B and C? Simply we have to solve the equation of the circle and the parabola. So we will get x square plus 6x, that is equals to 16. So we will get x square plus 6x minus 16, that is equal to 0. So we will get x minus 4 times x, so 4 4 is 16, 2 8 is 16. So this is x minus 8, no sorry, x plus 8 times x minus 2. Okay, that is equal to 0. If we factorize it, we will get that x plus 8 times x minus 2. That is equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus 8 or it will be 2. So now this point, at this point the x should be positive only, so we should take x equal to 2. This is x equal to 2. Now at this point this is 2 comma, we have to find the y coordinate. So if we put x equal to 2 here, then we will get y square equal to y square equal to 12, then y will be equal to plus minus 2 root 3. Okay, so this will be 2 comma minus 2 root 3, and this point will be 2 comma 2 root 3. So it means this point, this straight line is x equal to 2, and this straight line is x equal to 0, and this point is your minus 4 comma 0, obviously. So we can integrate it from x equals to -4 to x equal to 0 is this curve, and from x equal to 0 to x equal to 2 we should subtract this parabolic curve from this circular curve. And we can see that in this area is symmetric about the x-axis. It means if we tell that the area of the region which is above the x-axis means this part, the area of this part is suppose your A1, then the area of this part will be also A1. It means the total area which we have to find, the total area, that will be 2A1. Okay. Okay. And so we also know that the um, the equation of that branch which is above the x-axis, that will be y equals to root over 6x if we solve it. Therefore, the total area that will be given as 2 into 2 times of the integral from 0 to, it will be from, sorry, it will be from -4 to 0, and that will be this part, the circular part which is above the x-axis. For that, the equation will be, we have to solve it, then we'll get y equals to root over 16 minus x square. So this will be square root of 16 minus x square dx. We are integrating along the x-axis, so we should do integral y dx, obviously. So then plus that will be integral from this circular part, we should subtract the parabolic part. So we should do square root of 16 minus x square minus root over 6x. That we have to do. Integral dx, and that will go from 0 to 2. So this area will be 2 times of, this will be your, as we know, this is x by 2 root over 16 minus x square plus 16 by 2 sine inverse x by 4, and that will go from -4 to 0, and plus that will, this will be your we also like integral. uh Actually we can do one thing. That is this we can write it as simply from these two we can add, and we can write integral -4 to 2 root over 16 minus x squared dx. Then from that we can subtract 0 to 2 root over 6x dx. Yes or no? So that will be equal to 2 times of this will be your x by 2 root over 16 minus x square plus sine plus 16 by 2 sine inverse x by 4, and that will go from -4 to 2 plus sorry, minus of uh, minus of root over, means 2 root over 6 integral 0 to 2 root x dx, that we can do. Since it's 2 times of this we have to take, okay, so it is 2 root 6. So this will be 2 times of, suppose if we put 2 here, then it will be 2 by 2, that is 1, and root over 16 minus 4 plus 16 by 2, that is 8. 8 sine inverse 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Then minus, we have to do like suppose if we put -4 here, this will become 0. So this will be -16 by 2, that is 8, and sine inverse, this will be -1. Then -2 root 6 should be x power half plus 1 by half plus 1. and that will go from 0 to 2, obviously. Now this will be 2 into, this will be square root of 12, that is your 2 root 3, plus 2 adjust 16, 16 times sine inverse half, that is pi by 6, minus, so 8 to the 16, but it will be minus times minus, that is plus, plus 2 adjust 16, sine inverse 1, that is pi by 2, minus 2 root 6 times, if this will go up, this will become 2 by 3 and times x power 3 by 2, so that will be 2 power 3 by 2 minus 0 power 3 by 2. So then this will cancel out. 3 are 6, 2 are 16, 2 8 are 16, so this will be your 4 root 3, then plus 4 root 3 plus this is 3 are 6, okay, 2 are 16, so this is plus 8 pi by 3 plus this is your 8 pi minus 2 root 6. Actually we should do in the next slide once again. So this is coming equal to 4 root 3 plus 8 pi by 3 plus 8 pi, then minus 2 root 6 times 2 by 3 times, so it'll be 2 power 3 by 2, so root 2 times cube, that is 2 root 2. Okay, so now this we have to simplify. So this will be your root 3. So 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 8, that is 32 pi by 3, minus this will be your 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 times root 12 by 3. So that is equal to, actually, suppose 3 is the LCM and 3 4 the 12, 12 root 3 plus this is 32 pi minus this is actually 8 root 12, but we can write it as this is 8 root 12, but root 12 I can write it as 2 root 3. So this is 32 pi minus this is 16. So 12 minus 16 is 4. So 12 minus 16 is minus 4 by 3. So we can write it as 4 by 3 times 8 pi minus root 3. This much square units. This is the final answer. Thank you.